Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we're coming from Gator Circle. Last week I did a video on Gator Circle area, and now I want to show you this home that is being built all over Gator Circle. Okay, is the Dover floor plan. Has 1,555 square feet, and has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, like I always do in my videos, so I kind of move ahead now. I go around the home and then we'll move inside. Over here you got your filtration system. As you can see, it's on well and septic. This area here in Gator Circle is well and septic. And this is the kind of yard you will get. Okay, over here is your well. Remember, this is the model, so I'm going to show you the model. It's furnished, and it's very nice decorated inside. They are building this one around here in Gator Circle, and also they build it all throughout Cape Coral. So if you would like to know where they're building them, because this is a spec home, if you would like to know where they're building them, feel free to contact us. And if you also would like to know the price, I'm going to see if they have some of them online already available for sale, and I'll put this in the description below. I'll put the homes that are available, but if not, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We'd love to give you more information. Remember, I don't like to say the price in the videos because they kind of change a lot, and I don't want to mislead anybody. This video can be for a couple years, and I want them to get the accurate information. If I get it from the MLS that I put in the description below in the link, that way it's always updated. So you're always going to get the price, or you're also going to get if it's sold or not. So it's good to have that. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, okay? This is front of the house. It's a very, very cute home. Okay. Okay. Tell me what you think. And now we're gonna go inside, take a look at the inside. It's a Ring doorbell. So this nice electronic door pad. So you come in, you're welcome with this really nice hallway. It's pretty wide, so it's not like you feel claustrophobic. It's just nice and wide. Okay, first we're gonna take a left over here so I can show you the bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. Say hi to Zach.
Hey, how are we?
Over here is the guest bathroom. So you can see they got tile in the backsplash. Okay, over here is bedroom number 2. Remember, this is a model home, so you got a desk inside the bedrooms, but just want to give you an idea of the size. We'll move around here. Keep going. Over here you have a nice closet. As you can see, it has tile all throughout except the bedrooms. And when you come in, you have this beautiful open area with the kitchen over here, the living room over there, and the dining room over here. Okay, all the appliances are included. Okay, and also the blinds. Not the curtains, the blinds. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the kitchen. Nice stainless steel refrigerator. This is what everybody likes. A nice big pantry. Got your glass stove. Top is your microwave. And this nice island. Let me get on the angle here so you can see with dishwasher, and let's check out the size of the island. Tell me what you think about the decorations and this floor plan. I would like to hear from you. This is the living room. Let me go around so you can visualize the size of this. This room is pretty big. I hope the camera is doing justice because it's a really nice size. And the kitchen is well in the middle of it, that if you're entertaining people, you could actually be talking to them in the living room or in the dining room, so it's really nice. A lot of people like that. One thing I want to let you know that the fans are not included. That's the only thing that they told me they're not included. So they come in already with a hookup, extend, you know, with a plate and everything, and light, electrical and everything, so you could just buy your own and just put it on. But just want to let you know that. And over here is the washer and dryer. This is the laundry room. And then we move out here. And this is the garage. Turn it on here. Okay, double car garage. Got your water heater in the corner over there. And your hurricane shutter should be in that other corner over there. Let's keep moving. Okay. Show you another angle. If you're enjoying this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, okay? And please give it a like. That really helps me out in my algorithm in the YouTube channel, and also makes me feel like you guys are enjoying the video and makes my time worthwhile. Okay, so now let's move over to the master bedroom here. It's a pretty nice size. As I told you before, it comes with carpet. But I think if you would like to have tile, I think they can arrange that. I think that could be like extra. You might have to pay for it, but you can get tile. It depends on the stage of the home. That's what the builder told me. Check out. Very nice decorated. We're moving now to the master bathroom here. Nice cabinet with quartz also. Over here it brings a shower with some tile backsplash also. And then over here is your walk-in closet. Very nice and spacious. And over here it's your AC inside the closet. It's nice that it's in the middle of the house because it reduces the noise. So it's nice. It's a nice and quiet home. You can hear the AC at all time. And this most likely is where your internet comes in. And that's where you hook up all your electronics, you know, your Wi-Fi and things like that. And I forgot to show you over here, you have another closet. Smaller closet here, tile closet here. Remember, if you're looking for a new construction, custom home, spec home like this one that they're building everywhere, feel free to contact us. You just tell us what you're looking for, and we'll try to fit you with the, you know, with the home and the builder that more likely will have the home that you're looking for. So we're pretty experienced in walking around a lot of homes every month. So you can tell us what you're looking for, and we'll try to find it for you, and we'll lead you the right way. Okay? So my wife and I have been doing real estate over here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, for over 20 years. So we can help you out if you're looking for golf access, lots, or anything here in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida. Okay? So feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Well, I hope you enjoyed this small little video. Please give me comments and like. Just want to know if you like this home, What do you think about the floor plan? About the decoration? That would be nice. And remember, if you have any questions, contact us at 239-410-7372. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. We close it in with a nice shot of the kitchen. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Bye.